As much as I hate plastic, I do use a water jug to collect water in order to water the urban container garden. I figure that as long as I have the water jug, it's not going to go into a landfill and I can use it over and over and over. My name is Terry with Organic Raw Roots Farm, and I was inspired by a YouTuber named Bryans Homestead. I hope I said that right. And he basically has all this recyclable stuff that he made raised beds. So I decided to do an Earth Day recycling video with what you have to grow plants. I even contacted Brian. I got his permission to use his name and to tell you a little bit about him, and I'm going to put this video actually in the right hand corner if you would like to click on it and watch it. It is really truly inspiring. He takes vintage things that he has like in a graveyard kind of sort of thing, or a grove, and he puts it as a raised bed, and it is so awesome. You can check it out right there. I'm really jelly of the vintage washing machine, and the wheelbarrow is just I love it. It's so rustic and country, and he is growing food with what he has. You don't have to go and buy a pot at a store to put a seed in it and grow food. Okay, so I asked a few of my YouTuber friends, and they agreed to do a collaboration with me for Earth Day and recyclable materials for gardening. And one of my friends is Royal Amethyst Acres, and her name is Mandy, and I will post her YouTube here. And then the other one is Bake a Leg and Dig It, which is Melody, and I will leave hers right here. And then the other one is Along the Riverside Homestead, which is Krissy, and I'll leave hers right here. All the links will be down in the description box below. Please check them out because they did take the time to do a video of recycling and growing some food also too as well, to inspire others to grow food at a time like this. Okay, so I took these broken mason jars. I didn't want to throw them away, and I turned them upside down, poked holes in the lids, and I grew some wildflowers and some chives, and that worked out perfect. I took a half-gallon, I think it was a juice or a milk jug, and I cut it halfway, and I needed to up pot a tomato at the time, and it worked out great. And here I am taking a bottle that I also used to root different types of herbs and wrapping it around. This is a actual paper that I got from my meat from my butcher, that my ground meat came in, and there you go. And you can make a pot to grow seedlings in, and then you just fold the bottom down, and there you go. You don't have to waste any money. You're recycling the paper, and your seeds get to grow in a recyclable pot. So I just love these. It's zero waste. You're saving the earth. You just fill the little pots with soil, put your seeds in them, and there you go. And if you double them up, they don't break as easy if you just do them single-handedly, and I learned that kind of the hard way. What I like to do is just break off the bottom and then just put it straight into the ground, and zero waste. This I love to get vintage bottles from the thrift stores and put herbs in it and root them. I was going to toss this out, and it's a salt container, and it worked out perfect. and I put a tomato in it, and it's great. And an iguana did take off the top of the poor tomato plants. Okay, here's another one of my favorites. It's an old Christmas bulb, and it's perfect for rooting the basil. It's awesome. It's just perfect. I have no problem. Look at those roots. I am a huge fan of egg cartons, and also eggshells. Just put you some peat moss or some soil, put your seed, poke a hole in the bottom, and you got a perfect way to start a seedling. I'm going to take this old stump right here and put some soil down in it, and I'm going to put some zinnias in it. I used to grow ferns in it. I think every day should be Earth Day, and we should always do zero waste. In this picture here, I take my husband's work boots and I turn them into planters. It's a nice way for me to remember the hard work that he does for his family. I'll leave a link up above in the right hand corner for this video. We even took a tin can and screwed it into a metal piece to be able to put the tin can in the fire and make holes for our weed fabric liner, and that worked out perfect too. That's another great way to recycle. If you get a chance, I would really appreciate it if you could pop over to Instagram and follow us there. We do post daily, and we also have a lot of things in our stories. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for hanging out with us. Please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and I really appreciate it. And if you would like to join in, please make a video, tag us in it. We would love to see what you come up with your recycling and growing some food. Remember, we only have one Earth, so recycle. Zero waste. God bless. Bye-bye.